shifting our focus to the national capital, a fresh political row has erupted over the proposed dress code in the Parliament of India. BJP leader J.V. Shergill has sought stricter rules, saying that Parliament is a temple, it's not a lounge, and also calling for a ban on casual attire like T-shirts inside the house that we usually see Rahul Gandhi wear. The remarks have triggered a sharp political backlash, with the Congress party mocking the proposal and questioning the need for such a directive. The controversy has further escalated after Congress leader Srinivas Bibi, who took a swipe at the Bharatiya Janata Party, sparking a firestorm online and intensifying the political slugfest. So that is a fresh political row that has erupted over the proposed dress code in the Parliament. On that, let me go across to my colleague Hina, who's been tracking all the details. Hina, good morning. BJP leader J.V. Shergill has sought stricter rules, saying that Parliament is a temple, not a lounge, and calling for ban on casual attire such as T-shirts inside the house. Give us more details.
Well, absolutely. Remember, the attire of leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, has been a subject of discussion many a times in the past as well. But now it's a very interesting post that has been put out by J.V. Shergill. He has said, and I'm quoting him here, Parliament of India should have a not allowed dress code, starting with no T-shirts and no open shirts. He says, after all, it's temple of democracy and not a club lounge. So clearly, indirectly, he's targeting leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, because he's the one who's often seen in a white T-shirt whenever he arrives in the Parliament during, different sessions. For example, right now, the budget session of Parliament is underway. But now we have a quick rebuttal to this coming in from Srinivas Bibi of the Congress party as well, wherein he has, in fact, dragged in RSS and RSS's dress code into this entire debate. So it's getting, quite exciting here, because we are seeing war of words intensifying between the Congress and the BJP on the dress code, what parliamentarians should wear and should not wear in the Parliament, the temple of democracy.
Absolutely, and the remarks have triggered a sharp political backlash, with the Congress party mocking the proposal and questioning the need for such a directive. Thanks so much, Hina, for getting us all those details. Let me also go across to my colleague Pragya, who tracks the Bharatiya Janata Party for us. Good morning, Pragya. BJP has called for a ban on casual attire such as T-shirt inside the Parliament, because we often see leader of opposition of Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, wear the white T-shirt inside the Parliament. So that is something BJP has objected to. A sharp reaction also coming in from the Congress party on that. Take us through the details.
Absolutely, Akanksha. In fact, that has also become a talk of the town when Mr. Rahul Gandhi has always, come to the Parliament now in T-shirts and also in trousers. So, many of the party leaders within the BJP and in the government also say that this looks like a very informal wearing, and this is also sort of disrespecting the institution that is Parliament, which is a temple of democracy. One needs to be formally dressed, because this is the etiquette and this is the expectation, the least expectation from a leader of opposition at least. And he is also holding a very important, crucial constitutional post, being leader of opposition. So what is expected from him is being formal, being serious in the house, and for that, your clothes also reflect, not just slippers, not just T-shirts, the trousers, that the kind of dress up that Rahul Gandhi does when it comes to the Parliament. Many in the BJP believe that this is a deliberate attempt to disrespect the purity of basically the Parliament, which is also a temple of democracy, and hence this must have provoked Mr. J.V. Shergill to write such a post, in fact demanding that there should be a policy about the dress code. At least no informal should be allowed, because this is not a club. And Congress has always been attacked by the BJP of being elite members of the political parties and being lover of the clubs and all. This is also the psychology and mentality of the Congress leaders that has been attacked here in this particular post. But having said that, Congress and other opposition parties are also asking whether there is a dress code in Parliament, and if yes, then what should it be, and why attack one particular person on this. And in fact, they are also asking, all sorts of questions about dressing sense of BJP leaders. However, there is no proof that any of the BJP leader tried to dress up in a way which becomes inappropriate in Parliament.
Absolutely. And now the Congress party also seeking clarity as far as the dress code in the parliament is also concerned. Thanks so much, Pragya, for getting us all those details. We have a very strong reaction coming in from the Congress party. In fact, a Congress MP has spoken on this entire controversy. He has said, and I quote, they can do anything. They can do elections also on dress. They can ask to wear orange clothes also in the parliament. They can make voting happen. Jaiveer is trying to gather limelight. He's speaking Kangna words. RG की ड्रेस से डर लगने लगा है. So basically, in a way, saying that the Bharatiya Janata Party is afraid of the dress code that Rahul Gandhi follows. So that's a reaction that is coming in from the Congress party. Listen in.
So Jaiveer Shergill has tweeted something and taken to social media to say that there should be a dress code in parliament. No t-shirt and open shirt should be allowed, as this is a temple of democracy and not a club lounge. How do you react to that?
हाँ, तो ये बीजेपी वाले कुछ भी कर सकते हैं और मेरे को लगता है ड्रेस कोड के ऊपर भी इलेक्शन करवा देंगे कि ऐसा ड्रेस कोड पहनना चाहिए, ऑरेंज कलर का हो और भगवा रंग हो. अब हमें ये इनसे पूछना पड़ेगा. वोटिंग हो सकता है संसद में हो जाए जयवीर के इस ट्वीट के ऊपर कि हमने क्या पहनना क्या नहीं पहनना. हमारे कल को कुछ और ना कहें कि आप ये भी कोड होना चाहिए. तो मेरे को लगता है इस तरीके की बातें. जयवीर छोटा भाई है, जमीन तलाश रहा है. ये लोग अपने आप को मतलब कि लाइमलाइट की कहीं ना कहीं हमारी भी कोई बात सुन ले, कोई सुन नहीं रहा है, तो ऐसे शब्द इस्तेमाल करते रहते हैं. जैसे मैडम कंगना करती हैं, ऐसे ही जयवीर जी करते हैं. राहुल गांधी जी के साथ जब जयवीर शेरगिल हुआ करते थे, अभी तो 2-3 साल ही हुए हैं छोड़ के गए हुए, तभी तो राहुल गांधी के ऊपर करते हैं ये तमाम सभी. अब राहुल गांधी की टी शर्ट से और राहुल गांधी की ड्रेस से भी इनको डर नहीं लगने लगा है. वही.
Well, let me get you more perspective on this. Let me also go across to Shehzad Poonawalla of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Good morning, Shehzad. A controversy has started after a leader from your party, in fact, demanded that there should be ban and there should be, in fact, a decorum in place as far as the clothes and the dress code there is concerned. But now the Congress party is saying that next the Bharatiya Janata Party will ask the parliamentarians to wear orange clothes, bhagwa clothes in the parliament.
कांग्रेस का बस चले तो वो नंगे भी जा सकते हैं ना, बिना शर्ट के. अगर कांग्रेस का बस चले तो दे कैन रिमूव देयर शर्ट्स एंड दे कैन गो टू पार्लियामेंट. एआई समिट में तो पहुंचे ही थे नंगे. तो दीज पीपल कैन डू एनीथिंग. अरे पार्लियामेंट आपका कोई वो इटालियन किचन तो है नहीं. पार्लियामेंट फैमिली किचन नहीं है. पार्लियामेंट इज द टेम्पल ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. बेसिक मिनिमम डेकोरम हैज टू बी फॉलोड. बट देन आकांक्षा, जो फ्लाइंग किस दे पार्लियामेंट में, जो आंख हमारे पार्लियामेंट में, जो स्टेप्स ऑफ पार्लियामेंट में जाकर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट के पोस्चर को मॉक करे, और एक तो इनकी सांसद ने कुत्ता लेकर आई थी वो पार्लियामेंट. शी गॉट अ डॉग टू पार्लियामेंट. आई हैव नथिंग अगेंस्ट डॉग्स, आई लव डॉग्स, बट शी गॉट डॉग इनटू पार्लियामेंट. तो जो कांग्रेस नंगा होकर जा सकती है समिट में, वो पार्लियामेंट भी नंगे होकर आ सकते. तो जयवीर अगर उसने बोला है कि भाई शर्ट पैंट पहन के आना है, तो उसमें क्या गलत बोल दिया भाई? व्हाई इज मिस्टर श्रीनिवास लूजिंग हिज शर्ट ओवर इट? श्रीनिवास शुड कीप हिज शर्ट ऑन. शर्ट ऑन रखिए भाई, शर्ट के बिना मत आना.
All right, so that's a response that is coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party, that as far as Congress party is concerned, they went to the AI summit shirtless, but as far as Parliament is concerned, there should be a decorum in place. Thank you so much for getting us that perspective on the story. We have more reactions coming in as far as that demand by Bharatiya Janata Party leader is concerned from the Samajwadi Party. Listen in.
आनंद जी, जयवीर शेरगिल बीजेपी के लीडर हैं, जिन्होंने एक ट्वीट किया है और कहा है कि एक ड्रेस कोड होना चाहिए एटलीस्ट पार्लियामेंट में, जिसमें आप अलाउ नहीं करें कि टी शर्ट कोई भी पहन के आप आए या ओपन शर्ट पहन के आप आए, क्योंकि टेम्पल ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी है, ये कोई क्लब नहीं है.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेता को पहले अपनी पार्टी में बात करना चाहिए और उत्तर प्रदेश के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी से बात करनी चाहिए कि वो कौन सी ड्रेस कोड का पालन करेंगे.
आनंद जी, जयवीर शेरगिल बीजेपी के लीडर.
With this, a very short break. More news and updates on the other side.